Hearty welcome, students. Truthful morning to all. God bless you. Let us start the class. Today we are going to learn about third term EVS Unit 4 Day and Night. Come, let's start the class. Today we are going to learn about Unit 4 Day and Night. You will learn about the sky during the day and night, rhythms of the day and night, directions. Children, we are learn about day and night. We are going to see what we see in the sky, day and night. We are going to look at the noises, the wake up day and night. See the picture. Observe the picture. What do you see? Look at the given picture and we are going to see about the view of the sky, which is visible during the day in them. Let us watch the video.
Day. The sun comes out and we will be active and do our work. Night. The moon comes out and we will fall asleep. Most animals and plants are active during the day and sleep at night. Have you seen a rain tree? In Tamil, it is called as Tungu Munchi Maram. The rain tree closes its leaves by evening. Some animals and plants are active during night. Bat, owl, wild cat, mouse, wolf, you might have seen cockroaches in your kitchen and in bathroom. They are active in the night. Firefly are active at night. Do you know why they are active at night? To catch their prey, other animals hunting, avoid the heat of the day. A sharp sense of smell and good hearing. Flowers full of awesome fragrance and colors. Most flowers bloom in the morning. These flowers bloom at night. Jasmine, water lilies, tuberose, cactus flower, we mention the direction based on the position of the sun. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. To your right is south. To your left is north. Look here. In the center is Meera. The south are the flower pots. To her north are the rocks. To her east is the flower cart, and to her west is the tree trunk.
Next, the sun. The sun gives us light and heat. It helps plants grow. The sun much bigger than the earth where we live. The sun looks small because it's far away from the earth. There will be no life on earth if there is no sun. I repeat, the sun bears its light and heat. The sunlight helps plants to grow. Surely the sun must much larger than the earth. We live on the sun must be much larger. The sun seems to be smaller to look at. The reason on the sun is so far away from the earth. This is why the sun seems smaller. The sun, if not, there is no earth. If there is no earth, there is no life. The sun is the source of everything. Are you clear, children? Do you know the sunlight takes around 8 minutes to reach the earth? It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the earth. Are you clear, children? Can you understand? Okay. Now we are going to learn about shadow. See the picture. When an object does not allow light to pass through it, a dark area is formed. This is called a shadow. Stand with your back to sun. Look at the ground in front of you. What you see is your shadow. Find out if your shadow moves with you. A black surface is created so that no object allows sunlight to pass through it. You see your shadow wherever you are. Your shadow is happening and you know what's going on with you. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next, observe the things around you that make shadows and share it with your friends. See the column. Have you noticed that the size of your shadow changes? Observe your shadow in the morning and afternoon and evening and find out its size. This column, do it yourself. Next, we are going to learn about night sky. Let us discuss. Can we see in the dark? We need light to see things. Observe the pictures. How is the night sky different from the day sky? See the picture. What do you see? Look at the given picture and we are going to see about the view of the sky, which is visible during the day in them. Next, the moon. In the night sky, we can see the moon, many stars and clouds too. As you know, the moon does not have light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. I repeat, we are going to see the moon. We can see the moon in the sky at night. You know there are a lot of stars in the sky at night. As you know, the moon does not have self-luminosity. Are you clear, children? Okay. Now, we are going to learn about phases of the moon. Let us discuss. Does the moon look at the same every day? Observe the moon in the sky every night for 15 days and find out. See the picture. The moon appears to change shape every night. On the night when we see it in its complete form, it is called the full moon, Paurnami. On the night when we cannot see the moon at all, even when the sky is clear, it is called the new moon. New moon means Amavasai. Many festivals are celebrated based on the phases of the moon. Example, Eid, Mahalaya Amavasai. I repeat, if you look at the many shapes of the moon every day, is the moon in the same shape? Look at the moon for 15 days. One of them is definitely not likely to be the next day like it was one day. Its shape is constantly changing every day. That the moon appears to be full and that is full moon. The full moon of the day when the moon could not be seen in full. On the day the sky will be clear and not only the moon, so we call the day the new moon. Do you know Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon? I repeat, do you know Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon? Are you clear, children? Can you understand? Okay. Next, we are going to learn about the stars. See the picture. Observe the example given below. There are countless stars in the sky. See the picture. There are countless stars in the sky. The sun is the nearest star. The stars shine during the day too, but we cannot see their light because the sun is much brighter than the other stars. We see that a group of stars appear to form a pattern in the sky. See the picture. Have you seen any star patterns? Okay. Next, do you know the position of pattern of stars helped people to know when to sow and harvest crops? They also helped to people find directions during travel. Next, match the following. A. Sun helps plants grow. B. Stars form patterns. C. Moon does not have its own light. D. Shadow, a dark area that travels with me. Okay, children? Can you understand? Are you clear? Okay. We will see in the next class. Thank you. God bless you.